Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert or create bulleted lists in your documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Head over to your text document. Let me skip to the next line here. And you will find the bulleted list menu here at the top, just next to the list here. So what you want to do is click into it and select one of these formats. Like for example, numbered list, or you can go with one of these bullet libraries here with these bullet points, square, triangles, or numbered lists that are here to the right, or with letters. Fill the first bullet point with text, press enter to skip to the next line, or use the tabulator key to indent and to go to the sub point here, sub bullet point, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.